Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shanette with Shanette for Life. I am back today with another video. I am going to be sharing with you guys a grocery haul that I purchased from my local HEB. As you all know, there has been a lot of chaos with going to the grocery store. I did have to stand in the line. I will show you a clip right here and show you the line that I had to stand in. But I did and was able to find some good items that I'm able to put some meals together for the next week or so. So I'm going to share that with you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment, also subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay guys, let's get started. So I found some super sweet corn on the cob. They didn't have very much frozen vegetables. I still have to go back and find me some broccoli and some greens, but I was able to find me 2 bags of the Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. I may roast those, oven roast, or even air fry some. I found a big bag of the okra, the cut okra. There was no whole okra left, and I usually get the whole okra, but I did find those. I got me 2 tomatoes. I got 2 mandarin oranges. I have 1 orange. I have three limes, and I was able to find some potatoes because I went the other day and I was unable to find any potatoes. So I found me some gold potatoes, and I also got me some russet potatoes. I got me some unsweetened applesauce. I got some pico de gallo, the mild. I got me some vegetable broth. I got me unsweetened original almond milk. I found me some vegan chicken nuggets. I got the Texas blend veggies, the cut up bell peppers and onions. I got me some mini sweet peppers. Let's see. I got me some hamburger dill chips. I got me some whole kernel corn, some fire roasted tomatoes, some green beans. I got me some black eyed peas and some pinto beans. I got me a big thing of onions over here. This was like $1.78, so I thought that was a good deal. I got me some green grapes. I got me some better burger leaf lettuce. I usually do that for my chickpea salad sandwich that I made. And if you like chickpea salad, then you can chickpea salad sandwich. You can, sorry, my camera cut off. You can go back to a previous video where I made it. Okay, and I got me some baby spinach. And I also got me some toilet paper that I put up already. And some toothpaste and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, I have to go back to the store because I was needing my broccoli. Like, that's my favorite vegetable, and they were completely out of all vegetables. But thank you guys so much for watching. If anybody has to go out there to the grocery store, let's just be mindful of others, and also take the precaution to be safe and germ-free out there. And I wish everybody the best, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the week and a wonderful weekend. And I will see you guys in my next, I can't talk today, y'all, in my next video.